Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStyle Design, and today I am participating in a collab. It is the $5 Summer Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hilary over at my Old World home. And every season she issues this challenge, and this will be full circle for me because I first started my YouTube channel last year, summer 2018, with the summer $5 Goodwill Challenge last year. So I'm very happy and excited to be participating in this year's challenge as well. My video is going up a little late because I was rear-ended last week and I've been having really bad neck, shoulder pain, and as well as a headache, and I've been on muscle relaxers. So if I mispronounce a few words or mess up a little bit, please forgive me. So also please don't mind my reflection in the fireplace. So my Goodwill find were these candlesticks. These were 99 cents. And I just took the Bath and Body Works candle and hot glued, or not hot glued, but I used E6000 to adhere them to the candlesticks to make candle stands. And I did that with all three, and I think they came out perfect. I really like this look. The taller candlestick in the back I paid $1.99 for, and I just took some candles that I had around my home and set in there to create this little vignette. Also, this is a faux mantle that I created. I used these little black things that you see here are actually shadow boxes that I also picked up from Goodwill. You saw those in a haul a couple of weeks ago. And also this little vase I picked up from Goodwill. It was 99 cents and it was brown. And I chalk painted it black, but you can see where the brown is starting to bleed through. So I will need to go over that again. However, I think this faux mantle came out really, really well, and it goes perfectly with my lounge because it is black and white. I will give you a tour of the lounge coming up soon. So I do hope you like my $5 Goodwill upcycle, where I use the candlesticks from the Goodwill and the Bath and Body Works lids to make candle stands. I think they are so gorgeous. So if you agree, please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you will become part of my YouTube family and join me on my YouTube journey as I continue to grow. I do appreciate all the subscribers I have gotten so far. Thank you so much for coming back and leaving comments. I love reading your comments, and I really appreciate you becoming part of my family. And if you are new here, I do wish you would consider subscribing. I will be having a lot of new videos coming up for the summer. I do a lot of thrift store hauls, DIY, and upcycles, and I do it all on a budget to help my home look as elegant as possible. I am going for a modern, minimalistic, streamlined look. So I hope you will join me on my journey and hit the subscribe button and tap that little notification bell. So if you like what you see, again, please give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So that's all I have for you today, guys. And ta-ta for now. I will see you in my next video. And let's get one last look at the candlesticks. All right, guys. Bye-bye.